Hello guys, my name is Lovepreet Singh Thind and I'm a student of Federation University Australia. Here I am going to give the presentation on my topic green computing as this is a course requirement of ITEC 3207. Let's start with a small introduction of green computing. Green computing refers to the use of computer in such a way that it do not harm the environment in any way. Green computing can also be called as green technology because it involves the use of energy efficient processing unit and servers and all the electronic devices which are not in use should be disposed in a planned way. Now I am going to give bit explanation on the topic. uh, there are some methods that gives you the explanation to the topic of green computing. The first method is green use. The main aim of green use is to use the computer in such a way that they become more productive and they consume less amount of energy. And now the second method is green disposal. Green disposal means to recycle the resources which has been used already instead of manufacturing new resources for the same use. By this way we can reduce the cost of manufacturing and we can recycle the resources that we have used before. Third method is green design. As we all know, because of advancement in technology, there are so many designs of computer available these days. For example, there is a design of computer in which if we are not using the computer for a particular period of time, it will automatically go to hibernate mode, so it consumes less energy, and instead of shutting down and restarting the computer, we can put it on sleep mode, so it will help us to save lot amount of energy. And fourth one is green manufacturing. According to the green manufacturing, that computer should be manufactured in a planned way so that it does not cause any effect on the environment. Now I am going to relate an article with my topic. The article that I have chosen is gives small explanation on the topic and approaches towards green computing and implementation of green computing and how these factors affect the future of green computing. According to the article, we use green computing for some of our benefit, such as if we use the product which are energy efficient, then these product will help to save the energy and help to save the energy. Using the devices when there is no need to do so. If we are using the devices which when we do not need them, they will it means it is the wastage of energy. Now I am going to explain approaches toward green computing. The first approach is virtualization. Virtualization is the process of running two or more computers on one physical hardware, and it will help us to save lot of energy. Second approach is terminal server. If the user is using a system at a terminal, then the system will be connected to a server, so the actual work will be done on server, but the benefit of this, that client can also be combined and it use amount of 1 by 8 amount of energy, so it decreases the use of energy and it decreases the cost of energy as well. The third approach is display. If we talk about LCD monitor, it consumes less energy than CRT monitors. So LCD monitor do not have fluorescent lights which consume lot of energy. Now I'm going to give implementation. Jumbo computer. Jumbo computer, it is a new PC which is energy efficient and consume only third of power of bulb. This device runs the Linux system and it does not contain any fan or moving part. Thank you. This is all about my topic.